In HVAC, the stakes are high, the expectations are even higher, and the competition is fierce. Finding and keeping skilled labor takes more effort than ever. Earning customer loyalty is expensive and takes time. And winning new business means investing more in marketing to get leads who may not even call you when they need service. Resideo has a way to help you flip today's toughest challenges into tomorrow's biggest wins. Introducing Resideo Pro IQ Services, designed to work as hard as you do. With Pro IQ Install, jobs can be faster, smoother, and more consistent, thanks to one-touch template configuration that cuts installation time. With Pro IQ Engage, your brand stays in your customers' hands with one-click appointments, custom messages, and your logo front and center, turning one-time jobs into lifetime customers. So when they need help, you're the call they make. And with Pro IQ Analyze, your team doesn't just wait for the phone to ring. You get proactive alerts and insights to create a more efficient business all year long. And you can remotely adjust without rolling a truck. With Pro IQ Services, streamline labor, increase customer loyalty, generate leads. You can power, transform, and accelerate your business growth.